We will be working on camera movements, using movement to enhance storytelling, understanding how movement affects pacing, mood, and immersion. The first movement style is tilt. Tilting the camera moves it on a vertical axis while angling upwards or downwards. The second movement is pan. This movement is more on a horizontal axis that goes left to right or right to left. This is motivated camera movement that follows the subject and mimics that of the motion on screen. They remain the main focus. The third movements is the push in and the push out. With these shots, you will go from a wider shot to a tighter shot, or vice versa, a tight shot to a wider shot. These shots can be used when you are trying to convey conflict or a pivotal moment for the subject.